Game. Good luck po. Good luck. Cyan versus Yellow.
Sobrang!
Jersey number 10, dribble the ball. Pass to Sir Felipe. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 7. Still by jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 10. Rebound by Sir Felipe. Good for 2. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 24. Last touch. Jersey number 2 in the ball. Pass to Sir Urias. Rebound by jersey number 73. Rebound the ball. Still jersey number 54. Sir Bermejo umatake. Good for 2. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 29. Rebound by jersey number 3. Pass to Sir Felipe. Sir Felipe. Rebound by jersey number 24. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 73. Jersey number 3. Pagkuha ng tira, rebound by jersey number 3. 11 pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 24. Napakagan pasa kay jersey number 23. Number 3 pala. Good for 2. Jersey number 2. Dribble the ball. Pass to Sir Felipe. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 pa easy. Pass to Steve. Pero bola pa rin natin jersey number 10. 5 to shoot. Good. Rebound by jersey number 39. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 pass to Sir Santos. Good for 2 by Sir Santos. Sir Felipe umatake. Ngunit may foul. Who's foul red? Jersey number 29. Jersey number 29, first personal foul, first team foul. First draw by Sir Felipe. Pumasok. Second draw, ready to jump. Pumasok. Jersey number 3, dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 73. Ngunit wala sa play, jersey number 11. Saka jersey number 39. Jersey number 9, foul. Who's foul red? Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, first personal foul, first team foul. First draw, Sablay. Second draw, ready to jump. Jersey number 29, Uruguay. shallow ball. Jersey number 29, number ball, pass to jersey number 24, pass to jersey number 11. Watch out, jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, do for the ball. Umatake pass to Sir Felipe. Foul, counted. Who's foul with? Jersey number 11, counted by jersey number 23. First personal foul, second team foul. On the shot. Pumasok ang corner shot. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 29. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 3. 5 to shoot. 5 to shoot ball. Same ball. 5 to shoot. Jersey number 29. Still by jersey number 29. Pass to Sir Felipe. Sir Felipe. Foul. Counted. Foul jersey number 24. Counted by jersey number 23. Ikagi.
Dalawang block, dalawang tapal. Ulat mo din, dalawang block na.
First personal foul, third team foul. On the shot sa blind. Rebound by jersey number 73. Jersey number 11. Pass to Sir Baez. Pass to Sir Santos. Jersey number 3. Pass to Sir Verdejo. Leave the ball. Napasa.
Next possession.
Jersey number 10 na. Mandatory substitution. Mandatory. Sampo.
Hindi, mandatory substitution po.
Mandatory substitution po.
Time out ba kayo?
Okay, 5 minutes substitution.
Wala sila isa. Pipili kami, di ba? Ha? Pipili kami? Hindi, wala po. Wala. Pero pagdating ng first half after, magpipre throw kayo dalawa.
Oo nga, kaso nga, lagi sila kulang. Baka daw pa si Jerry.
Hindi,
Wala yung mga ano.
Walang ganun.
Sana may pili sana.
Walang nakasulat sir.
Okay pagka...
Okay, game. Mandatory substitution.
Walang nakasulat sir.
Kasi babad eh.
Jersey number 12, rebound the ball pass to Sir Felipe. Sir Felipe pa rin. Umatake. Rebound niya pa rin. Good for 2 by Sir Felipe.
Alam niya, doon babad.
Jersey number 16, good for 2.
Sinabi ko sa iyo.
Jersey number 22. Pinilit, rebound by Sir Bautista. Pass to jersey number 16.
Ilang absent ba nakalagay sa ulit natin?
Napakaganda pasa para kay jersey number 27. Good for 2. Jersey number 18. And the shoot. Rebound by Sir Felipe. Jersey number 22. Number the ball pass to Sir jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 22. Rebound by jersey number 7. Same ball. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 16, good for 2. Sir Felipe dribble the ball. Sir Felipe long shot. Dribble by jersey number 12. Dribble by Sir Baptista. Pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Pagandang pasa sana. So wala. Jersey number 12. Pass to Sir Felipe. Sir Felipe umatake. Foul. Counted. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 27. Counted by Sir Felipe. First personal foul, 44 penalty. 2 minutes and 41 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Jersey number 8. Viva by Sir Bautista. Pass to jersey number 27. Good for 2. Jersey number 27. Yellow ball. Jersey number 16 inbound ball. Pass to jersey number 7. Umatake paso. Traveling violation.
Nakapos ako sa'yo, 220. Laro tayo. Yun na, sige. Wala. Tapos ako to.
Jersey number 22. Dribble the ball. Jersey number 22. Pass to Sir Bautista. Pass to jersey number 16. Hey, side step mo. Pag-iban niya pa rin. Sayang. Pass to jersey number 27. Dribble by jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 36. Pass to Sir Felipe. Sir Felipe. Foul counted na naman. Scoring machine. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 16. Counted by jersey number 23.
Penalty.
Matik na yun. Bonus shot.
Penalty daw, penalty. Sabihin mo, penalty na yan.
Penalty na ang yellow. River by jersey number 16. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Jersey number 16, pass to jersey number 7, Sir Bautista. Sir Bautista in it, Jack. River by jersey number 16. Shot clock 5. River by jersey number 16 pa rin. Pass to Sir Bautista. Jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 22 with Jack. Pushing foul by jersey number 23. First personal foul, second team foul.
Replay. Panalo natin, replay.
Jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 97. Last 35 seconds. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 12, pass to Sir Felipe. Is scoring machine, jersey number 23. Good for 2. Last 20 seconds. Traveling violation, last 11 seconds. Running time pa rin tayo para sa first quarter. Buzzer na lamang po ang maririnig. Last 2 seconds. End of the first quarter.
Nashoot mo yun, baban na kita. 20 miss, 20.
20-24.
Ilan na kayo dyan? Ilan na kayo? the number spotter? Hoy!
Back to the basketball game.
Ginagayahin yung isa doon.
Second quarter.
Sir Inigo, 5:30 na lang tayo, Batsi. Batsi tayo. Alas 6 first game. First game kami.
Jersey number 3.
Kamutin natin, no?
Jersey server Teho. Umatake. Good for 2 by jersey number 54. Jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 27. Lumusot. Rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 24. Rebound by jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 54. Pass to jersey number 12. Rebound by Sir Felipe. Ngunit may foul. Who's foul rip? Jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. First personal foul. First team foul. First throw by jersey number 23. Pumasok. Second draw ready to jump. Pumasok again. Scoring machine. Jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 27. Rebound by Sir Bermejo. Pass to jersey number 12. Wow, open. Good for 2 by jersey number 10. Jersey number 17, Guillermo Ocampo. Pass to jersey number 27, still by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Time out. Mga motor daw po sa lab. Jersey number 3, inbound ball. Pass to jersey number 12.
Bagang.
Server Daho. Rebound by jersey number 3. Rebound by jersey number 3. Jersey number 24. Rebound by Sir Felipe. Wow. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, first personal foul, second team foul. First draw supply, second draw ready to jump. Counted ang huling tira. Supply. Jersey number 17 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 24. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Good. Good. Good yan. Foul. Who's foul red? Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. Two shot para kay jersey number 17. First drop pumasok. Second goal ready to drop. Pumasok. Jersey number 54. Pass to jersey number 10. 2 jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 3. Jay Santos. Wow. Who's ball rep? Jersey number 3. Pushing foul. Jersey number 3, second personal foul, second team foul. First draw, Sablay, second draw, ready to jump. Sir Felipe. 3-5, jersey number 3. Score 5, jersey number 24. Jersey number 3. Pass to Sir Santos. Jersey number 3, dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 12. Pass to Sir Felipe. Sir Felipe. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 54. Sir Verdejo. Pass to Sir Felipe. Jersey number 3. Viva by Sayan ball. Yellow ball. Yellow ball daw. Yellow ball.
Nangyari? 5 minutes! Mandatory na, mandatory. Hindi, mamaya. Mandatory.
Mandatory substitution. Mandatory substitution. Game. Jersey number 21 inbound the ball. That's jersey number 2. That's jersey number 7. Good for 2. Good for 2. Wala. Yellow ball. Jersey number 73 in front of ball. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 2. Right, jersey number 22. Jersey number 24, pass to jersey number 11. Steal by jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 umatake. Good for 2.
Wala naman naka-specific na pangalan dun.
Hindi kahit na pre, matik yun.
Ilan naka-
Jersey number 8. Good for 2 by jersey number 11.
Dapat pre.
Jersey number 2 dribble the ball. Jersey number 2. Umatake, steal by jersey number 29, pass to jersey number 73. Racing. Time out. Time out. Sayang team. Back to the basketball game. 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Balik na kayo po. Luka. Luka. Luka.
Rod.
Jersey number 7. Jersey number 22. Shot clock there. Yellow ball. Jersey number 29, pass to jersey number 73. Pass to jersey number 11. Driven by jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Good for 2. Jersey number 73. Steal by jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 29. Good for 2. Jersey number 12. Driven by jersey number 11. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Ngunit may foul.
Kailan mo yan?
Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Mabilis mag penalty yan. Ang bilis ng foul sa atin eh. Diba?
Third team foul.
Foul talaga yan.
Driven by jersey number 73. Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 73. Good for 2. Jersey number 2. Last 40 seconds. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 11. Foul. Counted. Bruce foul with jersey number 2. Counted by jersey number 11. Jersey number 2. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Buti na daw ako.
Bonus shot para kay jersey number 11.
Mag-counted ka na.
Last 34 seconds.
Pero next season wala ka na.
Supply. Jersey number 31. Rebound ball. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 7. Good for 2. Last 20 seconds.
Papataas para ako nung meron na.
Last 15 seconds. Useful foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 8.
High school ko na, malapit yun sa...
Jersey number 8. First personal foul. 1-4. Penalty. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Buzzer na lamang po ang maririnig. At wala na po ang oras. 45-40.
Back to the ball game.
Wait lang po, umiihi pa yung announcer.
Commercial break, commercial break.
Ano yung announcer, sir?
Wait lang, umiihi pa yung announcer. Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang.
Game. Back to the basketball game. Third quarter. Game na po. Jersey number 54 in ball. Pass jersey number 2. Steal by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 17. Good for 2. Jersey number 2. Wow. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 7. Pushing foul.
5,000.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Natawagan sa Anspul.
First free throw. Pumasok. Second throw. Ready to jump. Mga sir. Pumasok pa rin.
It's story.
47. Jersey number 2. Traveling violation. 57.
Big story. Big story.
Jersey number 24. May official po. May official. Jersey number 54. Tapo. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 54. Move by Sir Verdejo. Move for 2 by Sir Verdejo. Jersey number 17, bali moves, good for 2. Jersey number 10, pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 56, 54. Last 5 to shoot. Rebound by jersey number 2, good for 2. Jersey number 3, dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. Umatake, good for 2. Next game, white versus orange. Jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 16. Napakaganda ang pass up. Wow! Jersey number 10. Push it back. Down. Foul jersey number 10. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 24. Move on by jersey number 2. Jump ball. Jump ball na lang po.
Wala, jump ball.
Here's number 3. Here's number 54. Server Dejo para el dribble ball. Pass to jersey number 12. Hit the shoot. 2. Jersey number 17. Uy, ngunit may foul. Who's foul with?
Bola!
Jersey number 54. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot para kay Sergio Ocampo.
Kamar, kaya pa, Mar?
First draw supply. Second draw ready to jump. Supply. Ribaba jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Ngunit may foul. Who's foul with? Jersey number 31. Jersey number 31. First personal foul. Second team foul. First draw supply. Second draw ready to jump. Mga sir. Pumasok ang huling tira. Sir, jersey number 10 in for the ball. Pass to jersey number 54. Silver Dejo dribble ball. Silver Dejo pa rin. Backboard. Yellow ball. Sir Santos in front of the ball. Pass to jersey number 3. Sir Baez dribble ball. Sir Baez pass to jersey number 7. Pass to Sir Baez pa rin. Pabatang tira ngunit wala. Nakuha na jersey number 17. Foul. Who's foul with? Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Mas! Wala. Sir, wala shooting.
First draw supply. Second draw ready to jump. Even by jersey number 54.
Check.
Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 13.
Ano yun? Kaya
Dapat yung tira mo rin ang play.
Ha?
Pero dapat yung tira mo rin.
Mga kaklase ko nung college yan.
Good, Sir Santos. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to jersey Sir Baez. Umatakwe. Good for 2 by Sir Baez.
Tayo na, Felipe!
Sabi na pre, parang awa na.
Tirang-tira ka na?
Jersey number 31. Rebound by jersey number 17. Sergio Ocampo. Pass to jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 3. Rebound by. Mandatory substitution. Mandatory substitution.
Takin!
Tap in daw po, tap in.
Felipe, kaya mo, para matake na yan.
Mandatory substitution, 5 minutes. Official score, 57-51.
Nakatres po.
Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 73. Rebound by jersey number 3. Still by jersey number 73. Pass to jersey number 11. Rebound Rebound by jersey number 73, good for 2. Jersey number 7 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 23. Sir Felipe. Sir Felipe. Umatake. Sablay. Ngunit nakuha niya pa rin Sir Felipe. Nakakuha jersey number 73. Jersey number 73. Save the ball. Passes. Traveling violation. Cyan ball. Traveling violation.
Time out, yellow, time out.
Time out. Yellow team.
Stop mo muna to. Stop mo.
Okay, game. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 3.
Legal shot po, legal shot.
Pass to jersey number 22.
Pinakatawan niya pang travel eh.
Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 11 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 73. Jersey number 73. Masyadong intense ang laban. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 22. Yellow ball. Jersey number 8 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number. Jersey number 73. Aatake. Ngunit may foul. Who's foul with? Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. First personal foul. 1-4 penalty. Two shot para kay jersey number 73. Wala na pong timeout ang yellow. The third quarter may isa pa. Ay dalawa. Last draw. Rebound by jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 73. Ngunit may foul. Who's foul with? Jersey number 7. Second personal foul penalty.
Wala pa alas 6. Kasi naman kumasiyo dapat.
First draw pumasok. Second draw ready to jump.
Tama lang naman yung turban ko, di ba?
Masyadong intense ang laban. Pumasok pa rin. Jersey number 7 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Pass to Sir Felipe. Foul. Jersey number 11. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 23 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 18. Steal by jersey number 8. Steal by jersey number 3. Foul. Jersey number 73. First personal foul, third team foul. Two shot para kay jersey number 7. First draw, pumasok. Second draw, ready to jump. Rebound by jersey number 73. Wala. Save ball. Jersey number 7 pass to jersey number 11. Rebound by jersey number 7 pass to Sir Felipe. Nag-iisa. Good for 2. Good for 2. Jersey number. Wow. Jersey number 7. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 8. Jersey number 8. Goal for 2. All na po tayo. All 59. Jersey number 23. Foul. 27. Penalty. Penalty po tayo. Penalty. Jersey number 27. First personal foul, penalty. First throw by Sir Felipe. Second draw, ready to jump.
Sablay!
Okay.
Kaya mag-mintes!
Yabang oh.
Jersey number 8. Sir Borromeo. Last shot locked in. Jersey number 11. Last 1 minute. Jersey number 3. Good for 2 by jersey number 3. Last 50 seconds. 2 by jersey number 73. Isa lang po ang kalamangan
Teacher mo yan!
para sa third quarter. Still by jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Offensive foul. Jersey number 11.
Nakaumang yung sikot.
Jersey number 11, warning for graduate. Last 25 seconds. Last 25 seconds na lamang po. Last 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Buzzer na lamang po ang maririnig. Foul. Loose ball whip. Jersey number 73. Jersey number 73. Second personal foul. Penalty. Last 2 seconds na lamang po. Last 2 seconds. 2 shot para kay Sir Felipe. Pumasok.
Nasa chamba.
Second shot, ready to jump.
Na may edit na ba?
Last 2 seconds, buzzer na lamang ang maririnig. Pumasok. Last 2 seconds, buzzer na lamang po ang maririnig.
Agad yung referee.
End of the third quarter. Back to the basketball game para sa ating fourth quarter.
Baba ka na pag... Intimidating lang pa yan ah.
Bakbakan na. Intense ang ating laban. In the right corner. Jersey number 10 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 23. Sir Felipe. Pass to jersey number 3. Good for 2 by jersey number 3. Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng Sayan team. Jersey number 10. Rebound by jersey number 17. Foul. Jersey number 23. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Sabi niya, bababa raw. Puta, di naman. Naglalakad.
Jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 17. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 3. Pass to Sir Santos. Rebound by jersey number 7, pass to Sir Felipe. Sir Felipe para dribble the ball. Paso Sir Verdejo. Same ball. Wow. Jersey number 7. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Ano ni Papa yung laro? Napasa.
2 shot para kay jersey number 10. Sablay. Second draw ready to jump.
Wala ako school kanino sa layo.
Sablay pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 29.
Puro school lang. Hindi lang pa. Ready ka lang pagpapalaro.
Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 7 pa rin. Pass to Sir Baez. Pass to Sir Santos. Open shot. Ngunit may foul. Usman whip. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Maganda na paggabi.
First drop pumasok. Second draw ready to jump. Pumasok pa rin. Change favor. Lamang na po ang yellow ng isa. Sir Verdejo. Usman rip. Jersey number 25. Second personal 29. Jersey number 29. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Pulis ka na mag-take na mama.
First draw supply. Second draw ready to jump. Rebound by Sir Felipe. Foul na may pasabit. Jersey number 29. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Basket by jersey number 23.
Please yung score, please.
Score is sayang. 2 points.
Sub.
Substitution. Bonus shot. Supply. Jersey number 77 pass to jersey number 30. Jersey number 7. Still by Sir Verdejo. Basket. Usman whip, jersey number 7.
Sub.
Substitution. Jersey number 7, third personal foul. 1-4 penalty.
Oy, sub.
Opo. Substitution. Bonus shot para kay jersey number 54.
Mamaya subscribe yan ha. Takmo yan, pre.
Bonus shot, basket. Move by jersey number 7. That's the jersey number 2. Still by jersey number 3.
Payat eh.
Sayang po.
Counted.
Shot locked in. Move by jersey number 73. Move by jersey number 7 passes Sir Felipe. Sir Felipe passes jersey number 10. Move by jersey number 7 passes Sir Felipe. Jersey number 2. Shot clock 5. Move by jersey number 70. Pass Pass to jersey number 3. Still by jersey number 10. Pass to Cervertejo. Jersey number 54. Wow. Jersey number 73.
Ano, time out kayo?
Jersey number 73. Third personal foul. Penalty po tayo. Penalty. Third personal foul. Penalty na po. Penalty na po. Third personal foul. Jersey number 73. Penalty.
Kayo na po warning eh.
Usually, less than 5 minutes, nakakapag minutes.
First draw pumasok. Second draw ready to jump. Pumasok pa rin. Jersey number 73. Ibaba yung jersey number 11. For 2. Jersey number 7 open shot. Driven by jersey number 73. Pass to jersey number 2 by jersey number 3. Dalawa po ang kalamangan. Dalawa po. 70-70. To shoot. Driven by jersey number 2. Wow. Jersey number 11. Graduate na po. Jersey number 11. 2 shot para kay jersey number 2. Graduate na po, graduate. Penalty na po. First throw by jersey number 2.
Bagal ah.
Pumasok. Second draw ready to jump.
Substitution.
Ooh.
Sub.
Substitution. Substitution?
Subs.
Substitution? Sige po. Sorry po.
Subdivision.
Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 73. Good to by jersey number 73. Jersey number 2. Steve by jersey number 2. Wow. Down. Jersey number 3. Penalty lang po. Penalty. Second personal foul by jersey number 3. Penalty. 4 minutes and 17 seconds. 4 minutes and 17 seconds. First draw supply. Second draw ready to jump. Okay po. Sige po.
Ano?
Jersey number 70. Pass to jersey number 24. Driven by jersey number 7, Green. Good for 2. Jersey number 3. Sir Bilibe. River by 17. River by this. Wow!
Ras.
Usman Whip. Jersey number
Sab, sab.
54. 54. Second personal foul. Third team foul. First throw by jersey number 17. Sablay. Second draw ready to jump.
Naghahabol pa rin. Ganda na mag-video pag gabi. Maganda ka.
Move by jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 54. Five to shoot.
Who's power?
Tatlo lang po ang kalamangan. Same ball. 3 minutes exactly. Jersey number 3. Cervantes pass to jersey number 73. Rebound by Sir Verdejo. Good pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Shot locked in. Rebound by jersey number 10. Rebound by jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Open shot. Rebound by Yellow team. Jersey number 17, pass to jersey number 73. Rebound by Cervertejo.
Last 2 minutes.
Teacher ko yan! Tatlo ang kalamangan, tatlo. Jersey number 3, pass to Sir Felipe. 5 to shoot. Good, rebound by jersey number. Good. Jersey number 3. Still by jersey number 2. Sir Felipe pass to jersey number 54. Foul. Counted. Timeout. Basketball game. Para sa ating fourth quarter, 1 minute and 6 seconds. 82-77. Next game, white versus orange.
Yung magtitimon lagi sa akin.
Bonus shot para kay Sir Verdejo. Rebound by jersey number 3. Save ball. Jersey number 24 inbound ball. Pass to jersey number 73. Elbow. Last 50 seconds. 5 po ang kalamangan, 5. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Rebound by jersey number. Usman whip. Jersey number 2. Warning for penalty pa lang po. Warning for penalty. Jersey number 2. Second personal foul. Last 35 seconds.
Ras, kaya pa, Ras!
35 seconds. Jersey number 3. Move on by. Jersey number 54. Last 25 seconds. Wow. Jersey number 17. Penalty. Jersey number 17. Second personal foul.
Player na, referee pa!
Last 22 seconds.
Hindi, nagre-referee rin kasi yun eh. Ay, pag na-shoot daw, time out.
Okay, time out.
Pangalawa.
Okay. Sorry. Last draw. Pag pumasok, time out.
Ano oras na, Jules?
Alam mo.
Sakto, 7:30 tapos na tayo.
Time out. Back on the basketball game, last 22 seconds. Last 22 seconds. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 24. Last 15 seconds. Jersey number 3. Last 10 seconds. Okay, nagkamayan na po. Nice game po sa inyong lahat. Nice game po. Kamayan po. Kamayan. Nice game po. White versus orange next game.
Marama na.